Welcome back to Biker Wish, everyone. And if you think touring motorcycles can't still surprise you in 2026, stay with me, because the Honda Gold Wing DCT 2026 is about to challenge everything you thought you knew about long-distance riding. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement about comfort, technology, and how far premium touring has evolved. From the moment you see the 2026 Gold Wing DCT, you can tell Honda focused on refinement rather than reinvention. The design stays unmistakably Gold Wing, low, wide, confident, but every line feels cleaner and more modern. Subtle aero tweaks improve stability at highway speeds, and the LED lighting front to back gives it a sharp, upscale presence that looks just as good pulling into a luxury hotel as it does cruising across state lines. At the heart of the Gold Wing DCT is the legendary 1833cc flat-six engine, smooth, powerful, and incredibly balanced. For 2026, Honda has fine-tuned throttle response and emissions without sacrificing that effortless surge of torque touring riders love. Roll on the throttle, and the power comes in silky and strong, whether you're overtaking traffic or climbing mountain passes with a passenger and full luggage. Now let's talk about what really sets this bike apart, the dual-clutch transmission, or DCT. In 2026, Honda's DCT is smarter than ever. Gear changes are lightning quick and perfectly smooth, adapting to your riding style in real time. You can leave it in automatic for stress-free cruising or switch to manual paddle shifts when you want more control. No clutch lever, no fatigue, just pure, relaxed riding mile after mile. Comfort has always been the Gold Wing's superpower, and the 2026 DCT takes it even further. The seat is redesigned with improved foam density, offering better support for long days in the saddle. The riding position is upright and natural, the passenger seat is plush and spacious, and wind protection is excellent thanks to the electronically adjustable windscreen that lets you dial in airflow on the fly. Technology is where the 2026 Gold Wing DCT really flexes. The large TFT display is brighter and more responsive, with seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Navigation, music, calls, everything is intuitive and easy to use, even with gloves on. Honda's premium audio system delivers clear, rich sound at highway speeds, turning long rides into rolling concert halls. Safety and rider aids are another big highlight. The Gold Wing DCT comes packed with advanced electronics, including multiple ride modes, traction control, and improved ABS tuning. For 2026, Honda has refined its stability systems to feel even more natural, stepping in only when needed and staying invisible when you're riding confidently. On the road, the 2026 Gold Wing DCT feels surprisingly agile for its size. The low center of gravity and well-balanced chassis make slow-speed maneuvers easy, while the suspension soaks up rough pavement without losing composure. Whether you're carving gentle curves or cruising endless highways, the bike feels planted, predictable, and incredibly confident-inspiring. So who is this bike really for? The 2026 Gold Wing DCT is for riders who value comfort but refuse to give up performance, who want cutting-edge technology without sacrificing reliability, and who see the journey itself as the destination. It's not about speed records, it's about crossing time zones in total control and comfort. If you've ever dreamed of owning a touring motorcycle that feels as advanced as a luxury car, but rides with the soul of a true machine, the Honda Gold Wing DCT 2026 deserves your attention. This is Honda proving, once again, why the Gold Wing remains the gold standard of touring. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more premium motorcycle content, and let me know in the comments, would you choose the Gold Wing DCT for your next cross-country ride, or are you sticking with a traditional manual? Welcome back anytime.